16 divided by 4 over 5 times 10. 5 into 1, 5 into 10 will give us 2. Then we have 16 divided by 4 times 2. Now we are going to work from our left to our right. 16 divided by 4 will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 2. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we are going to work from our left to our right. Let us have the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve 16 divided by 4 over 5 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 16, change division to multiplication, then flip 4 over 5 to 5 over 4. Then bring down our 10 here. Now we are going to simplify. 4 into 1, 4 into 16 will give us 4. And we are left with 4 times 5 times 10. Now we are going to work from our left to our right. 4 times 5 will give us 20. Then we have 20 times 10. 20 times 10 is equals to 200. 200 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.